Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. This is what Shiba Inu price will be in the next 2 weeks. Shib News. Shiba Inu, the world's second most popular meme coin, has been the talk of the town lately. From joining hands with multiple crypto payment processors to Welly's Shib-themed fast food restaurant, Shib has made a statement. And to add to this, Richmond, the famous Italian fashion designer, has taken to his official Twitter handle to reveal his latest Shiba Inu-themed clothing collection. In this video, we will talk about this is what Shiba Inu price will be in the next 2 weeks. Shib News. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Richmond, 62 years old fashion designer, is famous among the celebs. In his recent tweet, John featured the Grimmjow anime character wearing a jacket, pants, and t-shirt in a street-style design with Shiba written on the shirt and pants. In early 2022, Richmond and Shiba Inu announced their partnership. From showcasing his Shib clothing at Milan Fashion Week to sharing an illustration of his collaboration with Shiba Inu in September of last year, John has amazingly displayed his work. In early January, Richmond tweeted that he would be presenting a new sporty chic line, Shib-themed once again, at the Pity Imagine You OMO event. However, the designer is yet to reveal a launch date for the Shib-themed clothing collection and when it will be available to the public. Shiba Inu's price performance is largely driven by publicity, and partnerships like the one with Richmond play a vital role. Where investors are eagerly waiting for the Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain, Richmond's Shiba Inu-themed clothing collection and Welly's burger will surely help to put the cryptocurrency in front of an audience that could likely become crypto investors. The meme coin has already shown signs of a mini bull rally, and it is anticipated that Shib's price will rise to $0.000018. If this happens, the entire cryptocurrency market will return positively. Shib is currently trading at $0.000118. The meme coin is up 2.95% in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu's gain of more than 40% year to date isn't due to gazillions of tokens being burned. It's not because Shib has gained widespread adoption as an alternative for buying goods and services. The nice return isn't even the result of anticipation about the launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 protocol. Instead, Shiba Inu is up so far in 2023 primarily for one reason, and that reason is the key driver for many other cryptocurrencies this year. The bottom line is that investors have become willing to take on more risk. Several factors have contributed to investors shifting to a less risk-averse stance. Inflation appears to be somewhat cooling off. The US economy continues to perform relatively well, and unemployment remains low. Shiba Inu has outperformed several other top cryptocurrencies so far this year. For example, Dogecoin is up a little over 20%. Even blue-chip cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, lag slightly behind Shiba Inu. But the improving risk outlook is still the main catalyst for these cryptocurrencies. The Shiba Inu community has been now waiting eagerly for the launch of its Layer 2 scalability network, Shibarium. The beta launch of Shibarium has been teased quite a few times recently and is expected very soon. Shiba Inu has been exchanging hands at $0.00001153 and is 0.43% down. The one thing that's holding up Shiba Inu from performing well is the massive supply and the decline in the burn rate of the meme coin. However, Shiba Inu lead developer Satoshi Kusama recently confirmed on Discord that trillions of Shib coins would be reportedly burnt with the release of the Layer 2 platform Shibarium. As reported by the crypto tracking platform Whale Alert, the announcement comes just as many Shib coins have been on the move between anonymous crypto addresses. The crypto tracking platform had recently detected a single transfer of 3,312,307,240,798 Shiba Inu meme coins. On Thursday, the Shib price rallied by 4%. However, it fails to continue the momentum. The dog-themed crypto is still trading down from last week's high of $0.00001273, when the Shib price had jumped 20% in a day. During January, multiple such large Shib movements and similar transactions were reported between unregistered owners. These could also be the internal transactions made by exchanges or whales redistributing their wealth. Furthermore, there's been a noticeable decline in the Shib burn rate. On Thursday, the burn rate tanked by 100%. During this span, as little as 238,419 Shibs were burned. The community has expressed concerns as the Shib burn rate has dropped considerably, but lead developer Satoshi Kozama said that the ultimate goal is burning trillions of dollars worth of Shib coins alongside the release of the Layer 2 scalability solution Shibarium. While several of the altcoins have participated in the crypto market rally since the beginning of 2023, Shiba Inu too has joined the party. As per the MVRV-Z score indicator, the Shib price is largely undervalued even now and holds the potential to rally another 75% 2 months from now. Another major reason behind the Shib price surge was the soon approaching launch of Shibarium. A lot of development has also been taking place in this ecosystem recently. Popular influencer Shib Knight recently hinted at the development of the Shibarium bridge to move assets between the Layer 2 platform and Ethereum. Additionally, crypto hardware wallet maker Ledger confirmed support for Shibarium upon launch. Bigger Entertainment CEO Stephen Cooper seems to have soured on the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. According to his recent Twitter thread, Cooper believes the meme token is a pyramid scheme, as the Shib team has not delivered any real achievements. Moreover, the CEO says the Shiba Inu project is used as a cheap token to encourage people to invest in questionable spin-offs like Bone. Previously, Cooper supported Shib and was involved in burning the tokens. Still, after a falling out with Shib developers, he quit the project and deleted every mention of this crypto from his social media. In a tweet from January 24th, Shiba Inu community-focused Twitter account Mazrel @Matrox shared a screenshot of what Shiba Inu CCG game players should expect from the last upgrade. In the Shiba Eternity 1.1.6 changelog, developers provided more than a dozen fixes, solving the problem of crashing the game during deck editing, incorrect functioning of cards that steal opponents' weapons, and many others. This comes after the Shib CCG game encouraged users to provide feedback on what might improve Shiba Eternity. Shib has way more resilience than the market anticipated, as the token successfully bounces off the local level and potentially prepares for a breakthrough attempt. The market raised some concerns among holders of the prominent meme token, as the possibility of a large-scale reversal has been rising almost every day. The Shibarium launch is expected in the middle of January. Shiba Inu developers announced in a blog post that the Shibarium Layer 2 protocol launch for the Ethereum chain would take place in beta soon. Over the weekend, the Shiba Inu community got winds of reports that Shib developer Trophius and Shiba Inu lead developer Satoshi Kozama were at odds. However, the most recent moves on the market suggest that the battle is not over. It has been clear that the most recent breakout attempt of Shiba Inu was unsuccessful, as the token did not find enough buying support from investors and retraced without a chance of gaining a foothold above the resistance level. Conduct your research by contacting financial experts before making any investment decision. TradingView. Luckily, the token did not lose all support. This local high was last seen by traders in early November, right before the major FTX crypto exchange collapse, as its founder Sam Bankman-Fried attempted to bail out his trading firm Alameda Research using the funds of FTX users. It entered consolidation around the trendline resistance. It moved in a sideways trend for a respectable period, which could have become an important factor, allowing the asset to cool off and make another attempt to reach levels above the resistance level. In the last week, Shib has gained around 10% of its value after bouncing off the 200-day moving average, which might act as a support level for the prominent token. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.